Hey, it's Kylie. Check this out. It's called a Gua Sha. Doesn't look like much, but oh my goodness, you're gonna love it. Now, I'm definitely not saying that using a Gua Sha will treat or heal any kind of illness. What I am saying is that it's gonna make your skin look and feel so much better. Using it can be a little bit of a process, so I'm gonna walk you through it step by step. Ready? Let's go. First, I'm gonna prep my face by washing with a facial cleanser, spritzing on a hydrating toner, and applying facial oil. This is gonna give my skin some amazing moisture. Plus, it'll help the Gua Sha glide smoothly over my skin. Remember what your mother always said, there's nothing worse than a sticky Gua Sha. We're gonna start with the back of the neck. I'm gonna line this notch up in my spine, then stroke upwards using medium pressure till I hit bone. Once I do, I'll wiggle the Gua Sha a little for a bit of a massage. I'll repeat this between 3 and 10 times, depending on how much time I have and how I feel. The same frequency applies for all other areas as well. I don't want a 90-degree angle. I'll slide up my shoulder till it hits bone, then do a little massage. I'll repeat on the other side. For the front of my neck, I'll start at my collarbone and pull up until I reach my jawbone. I'll do a little massage, then repeat on the other side. Now it's time to move on to my face. I'm gonna pick one side to start with. Today, I'm thinking left. I'll place one finger on my chin, then place the long end of the Gua Sha next to it. I'll follow the angle of my jaw to my ear, then give myself a little massage. I'll use this same technique on my cheek, starting near my nose and moving towards my ear. I'm gonna be very gentle around my eye. Feather-like touch here. I'm gonna put my ring finger on the corner of my eye, and using one side of the notched end, I'll stroke from my inner eye towards my temple. For my brows, I'll use the notch edge. I'll place my finger between my brows, then follow my brow bone towards my temple. Once I hit my hairline, I'll give a little massage. And last, my forehead. I'll start in the middle of my forehead and use the long edge to roll over my brow bone, up my forehead to my hairline. Now that I've done my whole face, I'll rinse and repeat on the other side. Just a couple more notes before you get Gua Sha'ing. Before you get your Gua Sha on. First, you do not want to use this if you've just received injections. It takes Botox 2 weeks to get settled, and a Gua Sha session can absolutely disturb it. Not good. Second, don't use your Gua Sha over cystic acne, pimples, or open lesions. It can cause irritation and do more harm than good. However, you can give it a try underneath your breakout to help support healthy lymph drainage. A Gua Sha may look simple, but the effects are amazing. Check it out and have fun!